This is the briefing from Transport Topics for January 6th. I'm Esmeralda Leon. Discover the full potential of your fleet with IQ Cruise. This isn't just cruise control. It's seamless integration, up to 9% fuel savings, and real-time insights. Easy for drivers to adopt, proven to perform. Drive smarter, drive IQ Cruise. The trucking sector is increasingly harnessing artificial intelligence to tackle one of its most critical challenges, fleet safety. Samsara's Johan Land joins TT Managing Editor Seth Clevenger to share how fleets are implementing AI-powered solutions to revolutionize their safety programs. Discover more about the tools and strategies making highways safer today. Catch the latest Road Signs podcast at ttn.ws/episode 184. Now let's dive into the day's top stories. A gauge of U.S. transportation stocks is on track to set a record, capping a steady recovery after a long slump fueled by the global trade turmoil last year. The Dow Jones Transportation Average rose as much as 1.7% to 17,836.01 points, surpassing its most recent closing high recorded in November 2024. Shares in the group were battered early last year by tariffs that curbed demand for goods shipments, as well as a stubbornly long downturn in the trucking market. Their rebound came amid broad strength in stocks linked to the health of the economy, with cyclical names outperforming the broader market recently on hopes for interest rate cuts and accelerating economic growth in 2026. Meanwhile, shares of major U.S. companies in the energy sector were sharply higher Monday after President Donald Trump announced plans to take control of Venezuela's oil industry, saying that it would be American companies helping to revitalize it following the capture of President Nicolás Maduro. While the action is unlikely to have an immediate impact on crude prices given the current glut in the market, it could upend energy markets and have an impact on the geopolitical landscape. Oil prices fell back Monday while the prices of precious metals surged as markets reacted calmly to the capture of Maduro. With oil levels already plentiful, crude already was trading near its lowest level in about 6 months. In acquisition news, MGN Logistics said Monday that it expanded its freight management business with the purchase of asset-based expedited logistics brokerage company Fast Service. The Pennsylvania-based transportation management, logistics, and technology provider said the acquisition, its 9th self-funded deal, is the latest addition in a series of growth initiatives. Also at the end of December, truck stop operator Love's said it had expanded its financial services arm with the acquisition of 3 factoring companies. Love's Financial acquired TBS Factoring Service, St. John Capital, and Financial Carrier Services in deals that closed December 19th. Factoring involves a carrier selling its freight invoices to a service provider for more immediate working capital than is typically available while waiting for payment from a shipper or broker. That's it for today. Remember, for all the latest trucking and transportation news, go to the experts at ttnews.com.
Spoken Layer.